Welcome back friends. In this video I will show you how to set any song or tone that you want as a ringtone on your iPhone 11. Now with iOS 13 you can directly download the ringtone or song from Safari browser. It will make it easier for us to set any song as ringtone on new iPhone. Let's begin this tutorial on how to set any song as custom ringtone on iPhone 11. First, download and install GarageBand app from the App Store. It is a free app. Next, get the song you want to set as a ringtone. If you wish to download the song, you can download from the Safari browser. One popular site which provides an option to download MP3 is mp3juices.cc. Just search for the song here. Now select the song and tap on download. Once again tap on the download button. As you can see here, the song is downloaded. Tap here to know the path of the downloaded song. It is there in the download folder on my iPhone. Now open the GarageBand app. Go to audio recorder section and tap on it. Here first disable this option, then tap on this icon. Now tap on this omega icon right here. Now you will have the option to select the music from Apple Loops or file. You can choose whichever you want to choose as ringtone. To set downloaded song as ringtone, go to files and here select browse items from the files. Now navigate to the path where the song is downloaded. In my case, it is on my iPhone and downloads. This is the downloaded song. Tap on it. It will show here. Tap, hold on it and drag it like this and place it here. You can see plus sign here. Tap on it. Now tap here. Now change this bar from 8 to 30. That is the maximum length of a ringtone on the iPhone. And then tap done. Now you can edit the song here. After all edits are done, ensure you drag it to the beginning because from there length starts. Now tap on this down arrow and select my song. Here go to reset. Your song is here. Tap and hold on it. Here you can rename the song. Once you are done, tap done. Once again tap and hold on this song. Now go ahead and tap on this share button. Here select ringtone. Click continue. On this page tap export. Once the export is finished, go to settings. Here sound and haptics. Then ringtone. Here go ahead and select the song to set as ringtone. This is how you can set custom ringtone on the iPhone for free. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.